I'm going to be showing you how to do a slip stitch. So first I prepared a piece of crochet. If you don't know how to do this, to get something looking like this, just watch my previous videos and it will explain everything. So we're going to go into the last stitch of the row, just like that. Same first step as the single crochet. So then you're going to yarn over, so side, under, twist, pull through. So usually with a single crochet you would yarn over again and then pull through 2 loops. But this time we're going to pull through the same loop, like that. And there we go. That's your slip stitch. So let me just demonstrate that again. If I'm going too quickly, you can just rewind and slow down the video. So we're going to go into the last stitch of the round and we're going to yarn over, so side, under, twist, pull through, and then we're going to pull through again, just like that. So now we're going to get the scissors and just cut the yarn. Now we're going to pull the crochet hook like this. And there you go. You pull the end of the string and you've got a nice, neat edge. If you persevere with crochet, you might be able to start making something like this. Or even this. And you can also make plushies and blankets and clothes, and like, I would really persevere with crochet because you won't regret it and it really comes in handy when like creating things. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you again soon.